A good camera is only as good as the lens that it comes with. This is especially true when it comes to portrait and landscape photography, where the right lens can make or break a photo. Luckily, Nikon has a great lens for both types of photography. Nikon's range of lenses includes both portrait and landscape photography options. In this video, we will be discussing the best Nikon lenses for portrait and landscape photography. Our first choice is the Nikon AFS-FX Nikkor 85mm f1.4G lens. This is a high-quality lens that is perfect for those who want to take beautiful portraits. This is a versatile lens that is ideal for both portrait and landscape photography. The fast f/1.4 aperture allows for shallow depth of field and low light capabilities, while the 85mm focal length is perfect for capturing flattering portraits with a natural field of view. The lens is also well suited for landscapes, thanks to its wide aperture and ability to capture sharp details. Our second choice is the Nikon AFS-DX Nikkor 35mm f1.8G lens. The Nikon AFS-DX Nikkor 35mm f1.8G is a great option for versatile photographer. With a maximum aperture of f1.8, it's perfect for low-light situations, and the wide field of view makes it ideal for capturing sweeping landscapes. The autofocus is fast and precise, making it a great choice for action shots as well. The autofocus is fast and accurate, making it a great choice for both amateur and professional photographers. If you need this product details, please check our video description. You'll get the product link. You can buy this from there easily. Our third choice is Nikon AFS-DX Nikkor 18-105mm f3.5 to 5.6G ED vibration reduction zoom lens. This lens is perfect for portrait and landscape photography. It is a versatile, affordable lens that is perfect for anyone who wants to explore different types of photography. With a wide range of focal lengths, this lens can be used for everything from portraits to landscapes. The vibration reduction feature helps to keep images sharp, even when shooting in low light or at higher shutter speeds. Our 4T choice is Nikon Nikkor Z24-200mm f/4-6.3 compact telephoto zoom lens. This versatile and affordable telephoto zoom lens, the Nikkor Z24-200mm f/4-6.3, is perfect for portrait and landscape photography. With a 24-200mm focal range, this lens is able to capture a wide variety of subjects, from close-up portraits to distant landscapes. This compact telephoto zoom lens is a great option for both types of photography. Its versatile and perfect zoom range and compact size. Compact and lightweight, this lens is easy to carry with you on your travels. Our last choice is Nikon's new AFS-FX Nikkor 28-300mm f/3.5-5.6G ED VR zoom lens. The lens is also equipped with Nikon's vibration reduction (VR) technology, which minimizes camera shake and allows for sharper images. This is a versatile tool for both portrait and landscape photography. With a focal length range of 28-300mm, this lens is ideal for capturing everything from wide-angle shots to close-up portraits. The lens is also equipped with Nikon's vibration reduction technology, which helps to reduce camera shake and blur. I hope you are enjoying our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up. If you have any question, let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.